Welcome to the Science News 24, a YouTube video channel. The race of crown planet Jupiter falling back, Saturn with 62 new moons going forward. More than 62 new obscure moons have been recognized circling Saturn, having 145 moons right now, titling the most known moon's planet, as per recent research on moons orbiting different planets by the researchers of the Academia Sinica Institute of Astronomy and Astrophysics in Taiwan. Saturn is going to get the status crown planet of the solar system. In May 2023, the astro researchers have declared this invention of Saturn's 62 newfound moons in the universe. Pioneers of this total welcoming effort. Two groups, one drove by Shepard and the other by Edward Ashton of the scholarly the Academia Sinica Institute of Astronomy and Astrophysics in Taiwan. A group of Rune researchers drove by the College of British Columbia. Scott Shepard, an astronomer from the Carnegie Institution for Science in Washington, D.C. And the Global Galactic Association. The simple meaning of a moon is an item that circles a planet. In this manner, many planets have moons orbiting them. As per NASA statistics, by May 15, 2023, 7 planets are discovered in the universe centering them moons are orbiting. As per NASA website statistic, May 15, 2023, we know 7 planets in the universe have moons. Jupiter 95, Saturn 83, Uranus 27, Neptune 14, Pluto 5, Mars 2, and our planet Earth have 1 moon. By recent invention of 62 new moons of Saturn, May 2023 discovery, this statistic needs to be changed. But is this right time to upgrade this figure? By early 2023, astronomers found Jupiter having totally 95 moons that made it the crown planet in respect of having moon. But by May 2023, Jupiter fall back in the race of being the status of crown planet. Recently Saturn, having 145 moons in which 24 regular moons and 121 irregular moons, has taken over that place and is getting the status of crown planet. The newfound moons of Saturn are nothing similar to the splendid item in Earth's night sky. They are unpredictably molded, similar to potatoes. Becoming familiar with the new moons is troublesome due to their little size and isolated circles. They have all the earmarks of being an exceptional class of item, not quite the same as space rocks that shaped in the inward planetary group and comets in the external nearby planet group. Yet, not considerably more is known. Closer perceptions of Saturn's small moons could give researchers a window into a wild time in the early planetary group. During that period, impacts were more normal and the planets jarred for position. Giant planet Jupiter and Saturn are orbiting our Sun, likewise some other planets. Both Saturn and Jupiter, very bright planets in the sky, are large in the solar system and are always in sunlight. Saturn, despite being smaller than Jupiter, appears to have many more irregular moons. Uranus and Neptune, as well, may have numerous irregular moons, yet their huge separation from the Sun makes them hard to find. What's more, these newfound small moonlets are permitting cosmologists to sort out Saturn's past. It's very challenging to locate small moons orbiting Saturn and Jupiter. Stable orbiting is needed for a moon to get its status. But are newly found moons of Saturn and Jupiter fulfilling this status? Answer is not confirmative. More observation and research is to be needed to confirm their status of moon. Information source: 1. NASA website. 2. The Seattle Times. 3. The Weather Channel. 4. Science Alert. 5. Anytime.com. Thanking you. Like and subscribe the channel please.